Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. My name is Linds, and earlier this week I put on Instagram, vote for this week's video and how to take your own IG photos 1. So that's what I'm going to be filming this week. So this week I'm going to take all of my photos by myself. I think there's some sort of stigma that you need like a photographer, a IG husband or boyfriend, and a car to create beautiful images, but that is not the case. I don't have any of those. I've thought about getting a car, but honestly I really don't need one in Vancouver, and I'm not gonna get a car for the sole fact that I want to take Instagram photos. So I don't have any of those things, and I'm totally comfortable either meeting up with new girls around the city, like new bloggers, taking photos with friends, but I'm also super independent in that I can confidently take all of my photos by myself. So if you're interested in starting a blog or just want to start to learn how to take photos on your own, make sure to keep watching. Alright, so first photo. I apologize if you hear noise. I've got Love Island playing in the background. What else do you watch in the summer? I'm gonna take a selfie. We all know how to take selfies, right? But I like taking it in natural light, and I live in a basement suite, so this is like the biggest source of natural light, but it's near like our couch and stuff. So to take a more IG worthy selfie, I'm taking my trusty blanket, which is white, and laying it across the back of my couch like so, to make more of a white background for a selfie. And I'm also going to use a prop, which is this half-dead lovely bouquet of flowers. But I'll show you guys how the photo turns out. So this is the situation. I'm literally on my carpet, but when you go into position, it creates quite a pretty selfie. Hello! So it's about 8 o'clock and I'm gonna go take a couple pictures before the sun sets tonight. I have my tripod and my bag with my shoes. I'm just kind of wearing like comfy shoes. And the location is walking distance from my house. It's just this like little church, and it has white walls. And it'll be quiet. It's a quiet area. So I'm just gonna set up my tripod and take a couple pictures to post on Instagram for tomorrow. So this is our location. It's just the back of this church, and I set up a tripod right around here. So first things first, I like to do the full look because they're always the hardest shot to get. I just have my tripod set up. I like my photos shot from like below, so it's quite short. This is going to be really tricky because I vlog with this camera, but I also take photos with it. So I haven't really thought this through, but I'm gonna use my iPhone for a couple of the clips, so I apologize if it's crappy quality, but that's just how we're gonna have to do it because I don't like iPhone photos for my blog personally, but my phone also sucks. So I'm gonna pop this onto the tripod and I'll just show you guys kind of how I pose around. I'm gonna swap into my good shoes, throw on some sunnies, and we're gonna get the shot. Then we're just gonna take a couple detail shots, which are super easy, and then walk home. So you can see where the tripod is. That's a visual at how much lower it is. Much lower than I am, but it makes you look tall. I have my sunnies on, my proper shoes on, my accessories, we're good to go, and ready to take a photo. Alright, so it's now dark out. That took about a half an hour, but I got the full shot, a detail shot, a knee up shot, so 3 Instagram photos, about 30 minutes from the moment I left my house until now, and that'll get me by for the next couple days for content. So yeah, we'll see you guys the next time I shoot. So I totally forgot to film this, but I just filmed my first reel, which is new on Instagram, and then just like a detail shot. So what I did was cleared out the corner of this room, set up the tripod, don't mind my mess, and just took a quick little outfit photo in the corner here. Literally takes 2 minutes, like I think it was 10 minutes total. And I only took 2 photos and 1 video. There was no second, third takes. It was super, super easy.
I'm a pretty boy, I'm stunning. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Call me Big Papa, I'm sunning. I spot the dick when she want it. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'.
Hola! It is 9 p.m. It's already dark out. And I have to submit a giveaway tomorrow. So I'm just gonna take a quick photo. I've just set up my ring light and my tripod. And again, we're shooting in the trusty corner of my bedroom. This is kind of what it'll look like, except much warmer tones. But after the sun is down, your ring light is your best friend. And often in the winter months, because I work kind of like 9 to 5 now, I do shoot after work most of the time. So after work, ring light is key. It's your only hope to a nice photo if you have no natural sunlight. Okay, so I just sat down and realized I desperately need some dry shampoo, but today's shoot is super easy. Again, just a simple selfie situation. So I'm just promoting this brand. It's called Ana Luisa, and I have this really simple band on my finger by them and these gorgeous little earrings as well. So I'm just gonna throw some dry shampoo in. I kept it really simple with just a black top, and my go-to usual selfie is very like hair flipped, really like up close. I'm gonna just emphasize the jewelry and get the shot. Hola! We are doing another photo. It's the next day, and I haven't even taken down my little setup because I knew I had to shoot this today. But today I'm shooting the Inner Glow Face Oil. This is a product out of Toronto. Hold on, I'll let it focus. Focus, focus. And it's seriously been one of my favorite products of 2020. My skin has broken out really bad because I went to a wedding and I didn't eat on my regular low-carb vegan diet, which is so annoying, but I haven't been seed cycling and I haven't been doing anything that's good for my skin lately, so that is the result. But on a real note, this oil is phenomenal. It's worth every single penny. It's like liquid gold, seriously. It's so natural, and I can't rave about it enough. But anyways, I'm doing a collaboration with them. They are going to be writing a newsletter for their like newsletter peeps, and just talking about like my skin journey and why I love the product so much. So I'm going to take some photos with it so that she has some photos to add into her newsletter. And I'm going to do like a bare face sort of situation, which is great because I just got home from work and I don't feel like putting makeup on. So I'm gonna throw like a towel in my hair, do like a bare face shoot, you know, like the classic blogger thing. I never really do it. I think I've done it like once, so this is a rare towel robe moment, but it'll really work with this well. And it's raining, so it's a great indoor shoot kind of look. I would have preferred to go shoot like a fashion outfit today, but again, with the rain, it's not really gonna happen. So let's see how the photos turn out. Alright, so this is my getup. Like I said, it's not super unique. I do take a lot of pride in like taking unique shots. I was really happy with the photos I took for the Ana Luisa collab with the jewelry. I just loved that I was like playing with my hair. I found that to be a little bit more unique. This one, not so much, but we'll get the point. We're gonna try and do a normalized acne post in collab with the Inner Glow oil. So I have some inspo photos, I have my setup, and we'll see how the photos turn out. And voila! I love that I changed into my sweats before I even have a chance to sign off this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see like how I pose for videos and photos or anything else, let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to film that next. Bye!